Most people never get rich. Not because they don't work hard, right, but because they don't understand one simple thing: compound interest. Compound interest is the most powerful force in finance. It's money earning more money on autopilot. Here's how it works. Let's say you invest $100. If it earns 10% interest in a year, you'll have $110. But the magic starts in year two. Now, that 10% isn't just on your original $100, like it's on the $110. So next year, you'll have $121. And the year after that, $133. Then $146. And it keeps growing faster and faster. This is called exponential growth. Your money starts slow, then suddenly it takes off. The rich use this every day. They invest early. They leave their money untouched, and they let time do the heavy lifting. But most people, they spend everything they earn. They ignore investing. They think $10 or $50 won't make a difference. But over time, that small amount becomes massive. Here's the truth. If you invest $200 per month with 10% annual return, in 30 years, you won't just have $72,000. You'll have over $400,000. And you only contributed $72,000. The rest, compound interest working in silence. This is how wealth is built. Not overnight, but with discipline, patience, and time. The earlier you start, the bigger the rewards. So the next time you get paid, don't just spend. Plant the seed. Let compound interest grow your future. So take advantage and subscribe, share, and comment to receive information and tips on finance. Thank you. See you in the next video.